my dear students. Now I am going to tell you how to convert the images or the pictures what you have taken to a PDF file through an application. Now open your Play Store PDF Creator, and actually I have installed the third one, right? The PDF Creator with the 3.9 star rating, which is installed. You just download this application. You just download this application and install in your mobile. After installing this in your mobile, you can open your PDF Creator application. Give not now, give cancel. You will get this screen. In this screen, touch the plus symbol. It will ask you for a standard PDF or image to PDF. You can give image to PDF also. Give your file name. For example, I am giving test 3. Test 3. Okay, so now the file name for you is test 3, and we have to choose some images from your gallery in which you already have taken your picture. Now I am selecting this file. This will come to mine, and you can add a few more pictures also. See, there is one plus symbol, right? 1 2 3 4, fourth one, there is one plus symbol in which you can add a few more photos also. For example, I am giving another one, this one. And you can drag this one here, here somewhere, right? Let it be like this, and give tick. Make a preview. This is the preview button. Make a preview, and this is my PDF file. Click on PDF. Now it is creating the PDF. Yes, it's created. See the name test 3, what we have given. It is showing some ad we don't want. Open this test 3. See, I'm giving open. Open that PDF file, and now this is in the form of PDF. That's it. Yeah, very easy application to convert your images or some other files into PDF. Meet you on some other video. Till that, see you and bye bye.